Okay, we're going to look at the first question tonight on your homework. It says that Matt spent 1/3 of his money on a movie ticket and 1/4 of his money on a snack. Now, we always know that when we want to figure out how much money somebody has left over, we have to figure out what their total is minus what they spent is going to tell me how much they have left. Well, the thing is, they're not really telling us what his total was or how much he started with. Sorry, it's a little shaky. How much he started with. So the first thing we're going to do is let's just talk about the total amount he spent. Well, if I want to figure out the total amount that he spent, then I'm going to need to come over here and say, well, 1/3 of his money plus 1/4 of his money. I need a common denominator, so this would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 4, 8, 12. So what do they have in common? Their common denominator is going to become 12. So 12 and 12. How many times did I skip count to get 12? 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 4. My numerator is going to become 4 here. How many times did I skip count over here? 1, 2, 3. So times 3. My numerator is going to become 3. I add these together. I'm going to end up with 7 12s. Okay, so let's go back up here. So he spent 7 12s. Awesome. Well, whatever his total was obviously the whole. So whatever he had all of his money minus the 7 12ths of his money that he spent. The fraction of the money that he spent is going to tell us the fraction that he has left. Well, if I want to write this fraction, a whole, in something that has a common denominator with 12, well, as we already know, that one whole written in a fraction would be 12 12ths to have the same denominator as this denominator. So I'm going to change my one whole, or all of his money, to represent 12 12ths. That represents the whole of his money. Then I'm going to subtract. So if I have 12 12ths, the whole, minus the 7 12ths he spent, then what fraction of his money will he have left? Is 5 12ths. And we're not going to be able to simplify this any further because there are no factors that these numbers share. So that means the fraction that he had left after he spent 1/3 and 1/4 of his money was 5 12ths.